Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Dollar Mortgage account or your Dollar Bank Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and open the Google bar and then search for Dollar Bank Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and then it will lead you to the Dollar Bank Mortgage page, and then you can click on login, which is in the right hand side of your page. It will pop up the login system where you can write down your ID, your password, click on remember me if you want your browser to remember you, and click on login. And if in case you have forgot your password, you can reset and unlock your password and log into your account once again. And if you don't have an account, you can click on sign up and make a Dollar Bank Mortgage account for yourself. I hope this video about how to log in to your Dollar Bank Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.